Okay, so let's discuss about the functional groups and the organic chemistry. So here, first of all, what is functional group? It basically defined as an atom or a group of atoms whose existence in an, we can say, an organic compound and give us distinctive quality to that compound. So we can simply write as define as group of items whose existence in okay. So see, as I wrote here, functional group defined as the atoms or group of atoms. Okay, those existence means how they are exist in an organic compound. Those existence in the organic compound means organic compound में उनका रहना एग्जिस्ट करना गिव डिस्ट्रक्टिव क्वालिटी ऑफ द कंपाउंड, तो उनकी अलग अलग क्वालिटी हर के किसी कंपाउंड की बताते हैं, अपने कंपाउंड की अलग डिस्टेंट एग्जिस्टेंस बताते हैं ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड के अंदर. This is how we use the functional group. So one more thing, the structure or the certain, we can say, family of organic molecules is also defined as the functional group. So here we go. We have first one, that is alcoholic, right here. Okay, so first one is alcoholic. So here you can see the functional group of alcoholic is basically OH. This is what we have to learn. The functional group of alcoholic is OH, and the general formula of OH is ROH. Okay, so this is the general formula in which R indicates the alkyl radical, alkyl group or alkyl radical, and OH is the group, hydroxyl group. Hydroxyl group. Okay, so in this we alcoholic group, this is alkyl group and RH. So let's take one example. For suppose here this is the formula as I told you here, ROH. So here I am saying, now tell me what is this? This is, as we know, the methyl. Okay, so here we will be putting methyl and this OH. What is preferred? Hydroxyl group, but it is formula of alcohol. This is the what functional group of alcohol, methyl alcohol. One more we can take CH. This both is known as ethyl, and this is the functional group of alcoholic. So we can say this is the alcohol, ethyl alcohol. So this is what alcoholic group is represent. Now moving towards another, that is ether. Ether linkage. Okay, so here you can see the functional group of ether is basically this. This is the functional group of ether, and we can say the general formula of ether is ROH. R. Here we have the dash. So these both are the alkyl groups and O is the ether linkage. So here let's take one example. We can say CH3O CH3. So now what it is, you can see here, this is the dimethyl, means di means two, methyl, dimethyl, and which group is this? Ether, dimethyl ether. So this is how you have to remember only the journal formula and the functional group of any group, we can say, or functional groups. So here we have another one. Another is aldehydes. Okay, so aldehyde group basically contain the functional group which is carboxyl. Carboxyl is the functional group of aldehyde group, and the journal formula is RCHNO. It is written like this. Here we have to put any alkyl group. So here I am putting the methyl. Sorry. So what is this? This is what we can say, methyl carboxyl. Okay. Now moving towards another, that is ketonic group. So in the ketonic group, it contains the functional group that is like this. It is the functional group, and it has the journal formula that is right here. This is the journal formula of ketonic group. This is the journal formula of ketonic group. So you might be thinking like in ketonic group and ether alkane, these both formulas are same. No, but here this is the group of ketonic. Carbon is there. Okay. Oh, sorry, oxygen is there. Now let's take one example. Like here you can see. So this is methyl, dimethyl, and which group is this? This is ketone group, ketones. Okay, so now moving towards another, that means basically the carboxyl group. So that is carboxyl group. Okay, so the carboxyl group, the functional unit of carboxyl group is basically like this. We can say this is the functional group, and while the journal formula, if we talk about, so that is like this. We have to put any alkyl radical here, and this is the journal formula of carboxyl group. So now let's see methyl. You can take any example. I am taking only methyl. Okay, so this is, so what this will be? Methyl only, we have the one methyl. So methyl carboxyl. This is okay. So moving towards another, that is basically we can say ether. That is ester. Group, or you can say as linkage. Okay, so the functional group of ester group, functional group of ester linkage is This is the functional group of ether. Okay, so talking about the journal formula, that will be like this. Like this is the journal formula of ester. So let's write here methyl, methyl. Okay, so here you can see dimethyl, dimethyl, and this is the ester group. So it is right. Okay, so these were the functional group. Hope you got it. Just remember these all functional groups and their journal formula, so that will be very easy for you. Bye bye.